In this video I'm going to show you how to allow messages from everyone on Instagram. First you want to open up Instagram, then you want to go to your profile, go to the top right and open the hamburger menu, click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you see Messages and Story Replies and click on Message Controls. From here you can set it to message requests or don't receive requests. If you click don't receive requests, then everybody can message you and you won't have those labels like all, primary, general, request and etc. So this is a way to do it. Of course you can have it for other people on Instagram that you don't even want to receive requests. So in this example I want to receive requests. If you want to receive requests, you would click on the first option and that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe and comment this video helped me out if it did. If it didn't, let me know what was the issue and I'll do my best to help you out.